Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that the price end of XLM finally broke out another down channel on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if we move to the live chart, and this was the down channel that I've been showing you for the past several days. You can see that since after 23rd of November 2024, the price end has been moving inside this channel. We had a rejection here, bounce here, another bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection. And now finally the price has broken out the resistance, and we have now recently broken out this resistance of 40 cents as well. That was also recently working as support here and resistance here. After the breakdown, you can see it was flipped into a resistance, and now again it can work as a strong support for the price line of XLM. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long term falling wedge pattern that is happened on the 7 days time frame chart. And by the way, I have been showing you this breakout from this big and long term falling wedge pattern for the past almost 2 years. And you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the price then has turned very, very strong bullish. And we will also take a look at the very huge ascending triangle that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. This is the ascending triangle that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. And now we are moving very close to the resistance. This is almost third month that we are moving very close to the resistance. We got rejection here in the month of November. Then we got rejected once again here in the month of December. And now we are still moving very close to this resistance of this big ascending triangle. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade setup for XLM that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members. And that was a very big and huge harmonic bullish reverse guard pattern that XLM formed on the monthly time frame chart. And so far, this signal has produced almost or more than 400% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for XPG, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this trading views chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 19th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see first the price line entered the buying zone here, dropped down as predicted, and then we had a very nice reversal. Now, let's move to the long-term trade setup for Stellar that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members on 29th of May 2022. And that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that Stellar formed on a monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this was a very long-term trade setup. And you can see when I shared this signal at that time, the price was moving approximately at 12.7 cents. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone. So far, it has pumped almost up to 63.74 cents, and it is almost a more than 400% pump. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Stellar, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this channel since after 23rd of November 2024. And now finally we have broken out the resistance of the channel. And now if we see the technical target for the breakout from this channel that is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at 63 cents. And now let's move to the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that previously XLM was moving inside this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And I've been showing you, by the way, this falling wedge pattern when it was moving inside this wedge here almost 2 years ago. And I was telling you that after getting squeezed inside this wedge, there is a very high probability that soon we may break it out. And the technical target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And now you can see that we are very close to hit that target. Now, if we take a look at the monthly time frame chart, this is a very huge ascending triangle that the price has formed on this monthly time frame chart. For example, if after this rejection, the price and test the support of the triangle, then it can test the support somewhere here approximately at 10 cents. But in case of breaking out the resistance of this triangle, we can expect a very, very massive rally. You can see that since after July 2017, it is moving inside this triangle. And by the way, this can be a very long-term move because this is a monthly time frame chart. And after the breakout, for example, if the price and will break it out from here, because this is not completely horizontal resistance, it is moving slightly to the downside. And for example, if we will break it out from here, then target will be here, approximately at 55 or $50. This was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.